everyone and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today I found sweet potatoes in my drawers. They're almost ready to die. We're not gonna let it happen, food is expensive. And without further ado, we're gonna make sweet potato creamy coconut soup. We start by chopping our bacon and vegetables. In a large pot or French oven over medium heat, cook bacon on its own fat until crispy. Remove with a slotted spoon to a paper towel-lined plate. Leave some oil to fry your vegetables. Add chopped onion and celery and cook 4 minutes or until soft, stirring occasionally. Stir in diced potatoes, herbs and salt. Add 4 cups chicken broth, bring to boil, lower your heat and simmer for about 20 minutes until sweet potatoes are easily pierced with a fork. Puree your soup until smooth. I use a hand blender, but you can use a stand blender easily and do it in a couple batches. Stir in 1 cup of coconut milk and add it to reach desired consistency. Now enjoy a wonderful soup. Sprinkle the tops with bacon